and we are on the road now to Lochinver. Hi, I'm Ella and this is Bonnie, and we're travelling around the UK in our DIY campervan. We're currently in Scotland, touring around the NC500, and this week we continue down the west coast to Lochinver.
As every ocean come as rain, I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. Closing circles, we got no end. Another sequel about to land. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity.
Beautiful views, look at these. Clouds, rain, grey, and a little tease of the mountains.
In 1 mile, bear right onto the B869.
Okay, so we've left our park up and we're on the road. And we are on the road now to Lochinver, I think that's how you say it, and we've got a boat tour booked there, so that's at 2, so I've given myself 4 hours to get there, just in case I fancy stopping, looking at stuff. Let me pay attention to stuff. Hang on, follow the signs. For the NC500, so we're back out on the single track roads, and yeah, it's saying an hour to get there, but as I said, I've given myself plenty of time. I don't want a repeat of yesterday where I'm stressing for timings and stuff like that, so yeah, we can just enjoy the drive, take our time.
Gone before I realized I was out of my way. We sit and talk, I see your crying eyes turning red through the day. I share my mind with no censorship.
So that was probably the most challenging part of the drive so far. We're doing some proper mountain driving. I've just had to do a 25% gradient hill, which is pretty steep. It had to go into first gear. And I'm not the most confident with hills in the past in this van, so I'm pretty pleased that we made it. So well done, little van. So it turns out this road was so challenging as we were driving along the Wee Mad Road. This is a 14-mile stretch of single track roads winding through lakes, rivers and mountains. If you've done any research on the NC500, you'll probably know about the Applecross Pass, but I would definitely say the Wee Mad Road gives it a run for its money. You have to navigate hairpin turns and steep gradients, but it was absolutely stunning. And I had actually planned on avoiding the Applecross Pass on this trip as I was nervous to do it in the van. So I'm definitely pleased I hadn't heard of this road as it was so much fun to drive and actually one of the highlights of my trip. And also it took us to this beautiful beach. So we've done a quick pit stop at Ashmelvik Beach. So we're only a couple of miles out of Lochinver where the boat tour is. So I thought, come to the beach, let Bonnie stretch her legs and have a good run about before she's got to behave on the boat. I think this is meant to be one of the best beaches around the NC500, so we'll see now. Wait. Okay, go. What you found? Get it in. Get it. Good girl.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just
Nice, Bonnie, thank you. Lovely shot.
This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore when we can't read the sky. We just sail with the wind that we've got, and when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
That was a lovely little surprise extra. So now we're on to our actual stop, which isn't too far. I think it's about a half hour drive away roughly. And then we've got our boat trip. call me. Hey. Bonnie. Come here then, you don't do that. Slowly, thank you. I'm not in the water. Hi, Bonnie. Over there, that way. Dolphins. Yeah, out the back. So the boat tour takes you out into the loch and along the Ascent coastline, famous for its ancient mountains formed from glaciers during the Ice Age. It is one of the least populated areas in Europe and the wildlife love it. So if you want to see Scotland's wildlife, this is the place to be. And we did finally see dolphins, but I couldn't get them on camera. So the best I can do for you is these seals. Okay, so we've just got off the boat, so we finished the boat tour with North Coast Sea Tours, I think they're called, and it was really good. Probably the best bit of the trip so far. So they take you out to seeing them around some of the smaller like coastlines. So we got to see some seals, some porpoises or dolphins, we weren't quite sure, and then just sort of general like birds, wildlife, that sort of thing. But yeah, really good. So we're just heading back to the van now and have a little relax and then make some dinner later. Or I think actually we're going to go to Lochinver Larder, which apparently is a highlight of the NC500 as well, so it's a good day. Okay, so we kind of messed up our dinner plans. So as I said, we were going to go to the Lochinver Larder, but I'm obviously used to southern shop times because it's shut at 4 p.m. That's like middle of the day. So we missed it. So I think I'm just gonna have some snacky bits for dinner now. I can't really be bothered to cook. And it opens at 10, so I might grab something for lunch tomorrow before we leave here. But yeah, otherwise we're just gonna have a relaxed night. I've got like a perfect view over the, I'm assuming it's called a loch, over the loch, and the sun's setting. So we're gonna sit and watch the sunset, I think.
I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you.
So thanks for watching along. I hope you've enjoyed it. This has been probably my favourite day so far, which I've probably said on every video. This has been the best day so far. We've had a really nice day. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it too. And feel free to catch the rest of our road trip in the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye.